Hey, so I'm here to show you how I do my beginner friendly smoky eye. So if you want to know how I achieve this nice little smoky eye, and it didn't take a lot of work, didn't take a lot of different palettes, just 2 palettes using 4 colors. Stick around. Okay, so starting off, I'm gonna use the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case, and I'm going in with just a Morphe, regular Morphe blending brush, and I'm gonna use my transition color is gonna be Cobbler. And I know y'all probably saying, girl, that's the only transition color you use, girl, because this is very beginner friendly. So, starting off, I'm just gonna, blend it. And like I said in a previous video, you can't really see Cobbler on camera, but you can see it if we were like up close. Like in person, you could see it. So, and excuse my little makeup t-shirt. Just look over it. So starting off, I'm just gonna make sure I pack that on. So you guys can see me. Okay, so next, I think I want to do hot cocoa also. So let me get a smaller brush so I can get in the crease area. Take out hot cocoa. Just gonna put this in. Like, really, you can get so many looks out of this one palette. It's crazy. Like, out of 10 colors, you can get so many looks with just using this one palette. So I'm just taking cocoa and I'm just patting it into my crease area, kind of blending it in with my transition color at the same time. Blend it in. I'm going a little bit above my crease area. Just a little bit above it. Okay, so you're gonna go back with that first brush that you used. You're gonna blend that out. So you won't see the harsh line. You won't see where Cobbler where Cobbler end and where hot cocoa began, if that makes sense. You won't see that line, that transition line, if you blend it in. So let's deepen that up just a little bit more with hot cocoa. Okay, so this is a black smoky eye. So I know this whole smoky eye situation can be a little bit scary because it could go from a nice smoky eye to a raccoon eye really quick. So you just want to kind of be cautious, kind of be careful with it. Because I remember the first time I did it, oh my God, nobody told me that it was trash. Got a lot of compliments, but then when you go back and you look at the pictures, you like, now why y'all lie to me? why? Like, why did you lie? Like, I guess it was cute to them, but when I go back and I look at them pictures, I'm like, sis? Don't do that no more. So I'm just gonna go back and blend that in. Take some cocoa. Not cocoa, cobbler. Take some cobbler. Blend it in. My biggest problem that I'm learning with eyeshadow, I'm trying not to blend to my eyebrows. When I master that, I promise you guys will be the first to know. Yeah. See how that blended in? Okay. So next, let's take a regular brush like this. Okay. Scoot in a little bit more. Let's do the scary part. The black. So I'm gonna take another crayon case palette, which is the Box of Crayons palette. I like this palette too. We're gonna use black. And the thing I like about this black is like the perfect black. So we're gonna pat this on. To the lid area. I know it looks scary right now, but come on. Keep going. Keep going. And I haven't done a smoky eye. Ooh, in a minute. It's been a while. Like I said, the first time I did it, it was not cute at all. But the second time? Oh, you couldn't tell me nothing that second time I did it. Like, I just knew. And the thing I like about the smoky eye is that it brings out your eye color. Especially like in the sunlight. It is so cute. So we just patting this on like this. I know, it's scary. Okay, so we're gonna go back with the blending brush and we're just gonna blend it out. Wrong palette. Going back with some cobbler. Let's blend it out. You won't see that harsh line in between. Go back. Put some more black. Deepen it up just a little bit more. Take it on. Okay, go back with your blending brush. And blend. Trying to get y'all to see what I'm doing. Blend it out. And just be careful. And what I also like to do, keep cleaning your brush. Don't put any more product on your brush. Keep blending. Clean brush. Do you feel me? Because I'm telling you, like, I know this can be very, 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 very scary. But we gonna get it. You cannot give up. I'm doing. So it don't look like you have a black eye. Or a raccoon eye. Or, because I'm from the South, a coon eye. So yeah, that's all we're doing. We're just blending that out, cleaning the brush, and blending. Okay, so that's cute. Just like that. Next, I want to just add like an inner corner. So I'm going to take my ABH Jackie Aina palette. Let's see. Let's do Zamn. Zamn, daddy. Let me stop. Let's get a brush so we can do this good old inner corner. And this is Zamn right here. Just putting it in the inner corner. Like I say, it looks crazy right now, but once I do the whole face, you be like, okay, sis. Okay. At first you lost me. But okay, now I know what you're talking about. I get it now. Okay, so I'm gonna come back with the other eye done, lip done, and we're wrapping up this video. I'm trying my best not to do 20-minute videos, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm really trying. So when I come back, everything will be done and we'll be wrapping this up. And that's a beginner-friendly smoky eye. We only use 3 shadows. Okay, so this is the final look. So, like I said, in the inner corner, I just used my ABH Jackie Aina palette, and I used the color Zamn. So, that's it for the lip. I just did a gloss. I did my same old Colourpop. So juicy. In the shade Beachwood. I can't get enough of this. I love this gloss. But don't put too much on. But yeah, that's it. Like, and this is my version of a beginner-friendly smoky eye. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.